I'm going to make endless numbers 80 snore like a number block 85. Ha 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 ha.
I am going to wait the train to take me to Moldavale.
Stand back, young lady.
Hey. Will you stop calling me a young lady? I am not 3 years old, you are.
I don't care. Now I'm going to make you snore like a number block 85. Snort now. Yes. I made it endless numbers 80 snore like a number block 85 in the Bakerloo line. Now let's go home.
Later.
Jonathan. I just called endless numbers 80, that you made it her snore like a number block 85 in the Bakerloo line. You know that's not very nice to make others snore. You are grounded for 30 days, young man. March upstairs to your room now.
Yes, Mom.